Okay guys, while dealing with VLOOKUP functions, you must remember to plan catching various inconsistencies in user entry. So for example, over here in this cell, I am planning to have, say, a lookup of the every detail of the car registration holder. So over here, and what I will do is highlight this cell. Now the inconsistency in it is I will quickly show it to you. That will be better. So equal to, let's say we look up, oops, we look up, and lookup value will be this cell over here, and table array will be this, column index will be 2 and false. Now since I'm planning to apply this along the row, what I will do is I will make sure that I make this absolute reference and also this as absolute reference, not just this, as well as this, and 2 and false, and now enter. And what I will do is apply this to a number of cells, and over here I will just change this to 3 and over here to 4, over here to 5, and over here to 6, and I'm done. And the problem that I'm going to show you that VLOOKUP functions have, that if the user, say I copy pasted it, but if the user is typing it and forgets to enter the space over here, so what he will get is error. So the way to deal with that is, what you do is select column A, and after selecting column A, hit Ctrl F to open this dialog box over here, and in this what you do is find space, replace it with nothing, so replace all. So all done, we made 10 replacements. So you can see that in column A all the spaces in between wherever they were present have been removed, and it says 10 spaces have been removed, close. Now this is going to match, but now the inconsistency will again appear when if there is a user whose style is not to give space between these car registration ID, but there is another user which will prefer space, and when he will enter that, he will get error. So there are a group of users that will always face problem no matter what you do, but there is a way to solve that problem. So what you are going to do is program your VLOOKUP function in such a way that it suits both the users, both the type of users who give space or who doesn't give space. To do that, what we are going to do is, in our VLOOKUP function over here, I'm going to add my absolute A, absolute 15 reference to inside another set of brackets. So it will not by now it doesn't affect the function at all, but now I'm going to call another function, that's substitute, and I want to substitute, so substitute, and over here it says old text. So I want to substitute, my old text is space, and I want to substitute with the new text. Over here it is saying me new text, and that is no space, that is a set of double inverted comma with no space in between them. So what this will do is it will look up in this cell, okay, if it contains any space, it will replace it with no space. That is what technically I am asking it to do, and I will press enter. So it gives me the result. Over here, this cell, I have applied it to this cell only, so ignore this set of cells for now. So there is space, but still it is successfully looking up. So it doesn't matter how many spaces or how you are giving the input, now it will always successfully look up and give you the result. And it also doesn't matter if you are not giving any space at all. So in any case, it is going to work very nicely for all the set of users. Suppose there is a set of user who likes to enter a dash between this number and the alpha letters. So for him, what you are going to do is, inside this, instead of replacing the space, you are going to replace dash, and it will again work fine. So I'm going to quickly undo that. Back with space, and over here, oops, back with space, and over here I will remove that. And now what I want to do is apply this formula to all this set of cells, and it is quite lazy for me to, it is quite a hard or boring time to do that, replace each and every set like that. So what I will do is copy this and use the Control F again, press Control F on your keyboard, find what, so I want to find $A $15, and then I want to replace it with this, replace all, okay, close, and it has made the replacements in all the cells highlighted, and now the formula is applied to all the cells. So yes, now user inconsistency is dealt with. It doesn't matter how inconsistently your user enters the data, your VLOOKUP function is always going to successfully look up and give the corresponding result.